Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel Life Science Gyan, and today's episode is from my playlist Bioinformatics. And this time this episode is going to be on a software. You will learn how to use that software in a series of episodes, and this one is going to be the first episode for the same. And the software that we are going to discuss in this series is Chimera, and how you can download this software and install in your system. That is all what we are going to learn in this video. So let's start the video.
So the very first thing is you have to open your Google. Now on the Google page you have to type Chimera, Chimera software. Now after pressing the enter button, you will get so many links, but you have to download the software. So you will go on the very first link. After clicking on the link, you will get this page. This page is having all the details related to UCSF Chimera, and you can have many quick links where you can see the documentation or the user's guide and many other things. But today we have to focus on the platform. So we will check what kind of OS we are having. If we are having Windows, we will click on this link. If we are having a Mac operating system, then we will click on the second link. And if we are having a Linux operating system like Fedora or Ubuntu, then we will click on the third. I am having a Mac operating system, so I'll click on the second link. After clicking on the link, you will immediately get this kind of message where you are having certain rules and regulations. You have to accept it. After accepting, you will get a box asking your permission for the downloading. You have to allow it. Now, after giving the permission, now you can check your download folder. You will find Chimera over there. Now it is still downloading, so you have to wait for it. And now it's done. Now you have to click on this downloaded Chimera. After clicking on it, you will get this kind of icon. After clicking on this icon, this will verify it, and then a box for your permission will be there. So you have to click on open, and then you will let Chimera open in your OS. So this is UCSF Chimera. Now you can search for this UCSF Chimera, and then again you will find this icon, and same icon is visible at the bottom too.
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you have learned now how to install this software in your system. Now, if you are having still any doubt while installing the software, then you can comment that in the comment box, and you can get the link of the software in the description box, so you can check it from there. And do like, share and subscribe this channel. Bye bye.